see, I'm very happy. We have a very special package for you today. Welcome to the transition series. It's in 2 parts. Today's episode, being the first, will chronicle the lives of my very good friend Abiba and the Osofo gang. Did I say gang? Haram! Blasphemy! Oh God, please forgive me. God, forgive me. Oh. The Bible says that though our sins be as red as scarlet, they shall be as white as snow. Father, clean me, make me whole again. Every word that has come out of my mouth that the devil will use against me, I use the blood of Jesus to rub it. I erase it. Oh, make me clean again. Please help me. God help me. Enjoy.
Funny how life can be, isn't it? Her laughter one moment, sadness the other. Abiba's predicament is an example of such a situation. Her auntie in Accra gives her a little hope as she invites her to come and live with her and go to school.
You cannot go to school as we planned. My whole shop got paint last night.
That when she works hard to help her auntie to get money, then
Shegi and Yaria, Naniama.
Abiba Duba, this is just a work of 2 hours this morning. Look at what I have. Abiba, imagine if I work 5 hours a day. How much am I going to make? Kasa Hammer. Bakan Peter Hammer about. Lolo Wesunashi Hammer. I mean a car by name Hammer. Ni Memuna. Say good. Can I son took loan in Kagane? Duba, let's pack now. Pani. Voo! Shio! Na stop kena. Memuna kena. Abiba, I have told you to join me. You know, as hardworking as you are, I know you can even make it much more better than I did. Come and join me for us to make money together. And by the time we go to Bonkurgo Yoyo, our people will salute us. In fact, our age mates will bow for us to work on them. Like a princess. Think about this. Abi?
Hey, take your Ajie. Menene. What is it? What? For your information, this food will not be enough for us. And where is the sales you made for today? So, Abiba, is this all you were able to make since morning? Oh my God. And you expect me to cook for you to come and eat here? You expect me, Salamatu, to cook for you to come and eat here? My friend, you are joking. I said clear off. Shasha bunza shegi and yaria.
I saved a little money, started my own tabletop shop. Today, I am the talk of the town.
Woman, God has sent me to you. You are Abiba, you come from the north. You are 30 years. You've had 3 ex-boyfriends, Kwesiamwa, Kidash, and Ramesh. You are currently with Yofi, who is refusing to marry you, and I know why. Verily, verily, I say unto you, you ate Hausa Coco this morning. with 3 cubes of sugar and 2 kose. 1 big one and 1 small one.
How do you...
Hey, woman. The revelations I have about you, you will wonder if I say them to you. And I can even tell you this. You are wearing red panties.
How do you know?
And so much pain in my life.
Hallelujah! Abiba. Oh, give me a holy hug.
Yourself, you are squeezing.
Glory, glory. Oh, excuse me.
Stop.
Hallelujah. You are blessed. Oh, gosh. Abiba, let me pray with you.
Okay,
Oh, glory. just. Hallelujah. In the name of the Lord of hosts. Bind. Ooh. Hey, when you. I'm binding spirit, soul, and body.
Yes, Osofo. We are here. Welcome. Good morning, Osofo.
Good morning. May his abundant grace shine on you. Oh, your fee will be proposing soon.
Huh?
Oh,
Osofo. Say that again, Mante. What's it then?
I feel a positive spirit. It's all around you, woman. Let me pray with you, Abiba. Arahata. Oh, Skiros as. Oh, Juventus Alisa. Oh, Barcelona Olympics. This one is not the victim of a curse. You know, the Bible says sometimes such things must happen so we can know how God works. Oh, glory. Do you want to see? Then, okay. Hallelujah! You will see today. We command this eyes right now. Open sesame.
Hallelujah.
Oh, glory. Oh.
You can see.
I can see. Has done it.
Hallelujah.
Oh, glory.
Abiba. Where's Osofo?
Don't you think you're wasting too much time and effort on this, Osofo? Well, he's at the back.
Hey, Onipa bad Papa Abiba.
Grace,
So you are keeping this man here, and you are telling me I'm wasting my time on him.
So what's the Onipa bad on?
No, why am I saying? Grace, why you fool? Huh? Why you the Papa? You look good.
You don't say when somebody tells you look good. Thank you is the answer.
And you know, ni Papa na why you know who a breachy bema? Na emato.
Teacher Remy, me need to say why.
Hey, okay. Me dear, my eyes are so closed. Do you know Osofo confessed?
He did?
Well, he was about to, but I stopped him. I forgive him.
La ilaha illallah. Grace, what on this earth has this fraud done to you?
Abiba, God works in mysterious ways. So, Osofo says it's all about belief. And I believe. Grace, I believe. Now,
baby! Your feet's here.
Yeah, Jimmy and me. Hey.
As for a woman, you need to look good for yourself. Appreciate yourself first. When you food is a secondary matter, my dear.
You think we are all like you, eh?
What are you saying?
We find it very, very difficult in finding just one. Now, so what do you? Hey! Uba on sanwa. No mu bubu faso sen kran.
Perfecto.
She. Mpeni for besi ye ni mo nsi ebisa. Una onam kwanso.
I was in peace. Seriously, I've been indulging someone. So I can't go to the salon today. I need to remote control events from here.
Who are you dodging?
My oil magnate. Abiba, I fear him. He has some crazy antics. And he's been chasing me all around the place. I've not been picking his call. You can't do that. I'm taking her to her mother. You have to bring her back. How could you do this? Purely on the advice of this Osofo, whom you met barely a month ago? That's just insane. Come on, I can't do that to the poor girl.
At all. I'm not surprised. Osofo told me.
Told you what?
The people will come begging for Sadia. And he said something that I should not relent.
This is really habit for me now. We must do something about it. In fact, I will.
What do you...
Please, have dinner with me tomorrow. I have a surprise.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I love you and I'll be here for you no matter what.
You're sure?
I'm very sure. Everybody may drop before. See, I'll do anything for you. I love you.
You're free. You're free.
You're my baby.
You're free.
I'm telling you, I'll do anything for you.
Yes, I love you.
I'm coming home to the one I
love. Are you alright?
Oh, announcing Achimini, but may you're perfect. I'm okay.
Go inside and get something to eat. And take care of the home. We'll be back soon.
Madam, have fun.
What did you say?
This is a compromise, eh? Josephus, you will remove yourself from the scene for a while. Now, this will serve two purposes.
Can you expand?
Expatiate, thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're smart. I knew you would know the angle I'm coming from. Josephus, out of the scene for a while, just for a while. And then we proceed to spread fear and panic.
My friend.
You were talking about an antidote.
Yeah. Exactly. We have the perfect plan to keep Auntie Grace's notorious husband at home.
Good! Sharp! Simple. Bam! Check it out.
Safa.
Fighter, they always fight back.
Not when the odds are so unfavorable. We cede to her demands. A tactical retreat. Simple.
What? How?
Oh, how? Simple. See, we influence Abiba to take Sadia back. I will take care of the Sadia threat from within.
What about the money matter?
Money matter? Yeah, Osofo. You must refuse to take money from Abiba and Grace, henceforth.
You are joking. Me? Do you know how I survive? What are you talking about? Those women provide 100% of my income. And look at what you are telling me.
You are so dumb. You can't see. Huh? Can't you read what I'm saying? It will rather solidify your position at Abiba's.
Smart.
That is why I am called Danger. See?
The danger is
Master, don't danger me, man. What's going on here?
Ben!
And who told you I'm here? Oh, you have forgotten who you are dealing with, huh? See, it is not for anything that I am called Kwame Danger, huh? I have lived all my life with your treachery.
Oops.
Yes. Back to business. I hear you healed a blind man today.
Yeah. I was a blind man. See?
Yeah.
I was once blind. But now, I can see.
Hey, Masa, you can leave us now, huh?
I'm part of the church now.
Church? Which church?
I'm in his church.
Hey! So you are forming church too?
No.
Eh!
My client has interest in someone you also have an interest in. We want to have it settled amicably.
What? What client?
That was smart. Now, are you going to have the door open for me to sit in the car? Or you want us to deal with it like this? Good. Let's take a ride.
Hey, don't kill us. Hey,
A cipher?
Fear
A
not.
cipher jail cell?
Fear not.
You don't recognize me, eh?
Fear not.
It is Kente, the cripple you healed 5 years ago at Tarthel. Cripple? Not this one, the middle one.
At the market square.
Exactly. I returned from the United States of America just a month ago. God damn it.
You have greatly changed.
Indeed. All your prophecies.
Praise be to God.
Hallelujah.
Aside for, I have a surprise for you.
Really?
That car over there is yours.
Me? Oh, no.
God damn
No.
it, Asafo. God damn it,
You know,
Asafo. God damn it, Asafo. God damn it, Asafo. Don't say no.
Gentlemen,
No.
in my father's house are so many, plenty, much more big, enormous, and gigantua chariots.
Also, no, this one accept it.
Ow! Oh, Suffer. Did you just say no?
Yes.
We are on this earth. You've been praying for my prosperity and that of Auntie Grace's. Why then do you deny yours?
Hey.
Suffer, think twice.
Skido, you have shown gratitude. You know, I need to reject this beautiful gift. But I'll, however, take a ride in it.
Oh! What's the time?
6 o'clock, sir.
6 o'clock sharp.
On the dot.
This guy is a gentleman. I think we should be doing more business with him. I am going to bring him in. I am going to give him royal escort. A minute.
All right. Who?
Prof.
Punctual too, huh? Oh, you must be Professor Emeritus Coker then. Prof?
Gentlemen, didn't I introduce myself to you this morning? Or do you doubt?
No, Professor, I'm sorry. No. I just need to confirm that you really are Professor Emeritus Coker. You know how it is these days.
What impudence? What impudence?
What impudence?
What cacophony?
What cacophony?
One jarring commingling of heterogeneous sounds. I am Professor Emeritus Stonebridge Coker.
Professor Coker?
Yes.
You are under arrest.
Oh, that is a joke.
I'm Inspector Mensah from the police headquarters.
You are serious?
You are under arrest.
This is our first time.
You are under arrest for defrauding.
This is our first time. This is our first time. Please.
You can see the house is surrounded.
Sensible, enjoyable, Diana. Engolo, Evivian. Till next week. Bye. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah.